which is published by independent agency, let's assume NCSM is an independent agency, that conflict of interest has to be mentioned. NCSM in the last few years or months have been making reports on behalf of hotel lobbies and other interests, which is in contradictory to the in contrast to the principles of this report. So NCSM, my suggestion is NCSM has to mention the list under the chapter called conflict of interest. You have to mention a list of all hotels or individuals for which they have worked for and prepared reports on their behalf. The second point I would like to mention is with regards to infrastructure planning. In the report chapter 1.2, it is stated that the data utilized for preparing of CZMPs will comprise of information regarding coastal protection, fisheries, aquaculture, so and so. Last year said infrastructure development and planning. My suggestion is, I won't ask question because it is going to take, I know by the time you will answer and most of it will not be answered. But the suggestion is that if you all are mentioning infrastructure development planning, please mention in the CZMP report what infrastructure we are talking about, whether it is MPT, coal projects, whether it is the jetties. This is a very vague statement, and if at all there is no projects planned along the CRZ infrastructure plan, then for the next 5 years there should be a ban on all such projects, because all the agencies including CZMA know what projects are coming up in the CRZ in the next 5 years. It is pending, and therefore that list has to be mentioned specifically, because it is mentioned here in the report that you are supposed to list those projects. However, such infrastructure projects are not been listed. I hope I am clear. Whoever is taking the minutes. Who is taking the minutes? Please raise your hand. They are taking the minutes. So suggestion is include the list of infrastructure development and planning. Third is the base map. Now this is a contentious issue because in the report NCSM seems to be confused on which base map they have selected. Who's there from NCSM here? Who's there from NCSM? So what are the base map used? What are the base map used? Don't waste time, so otherwise you can pause the timer and then give me time. Whoever is noting your time, please give me extra time if this is going to happen. What are the base map used for this CZMPs?
Let him answer first. Take your time. Take your time. Let him answer his questions.
NCSM scientists are there or not? Who are the NCSM scientists in the panel? Am I addressing a panel or is this just, what is this? Who are the NCSM scientists? Are you all ashamed of admitting all the NCSM scientists or representative of NCSM?
Let him answer.
Mr. Joglekar, you have been given a lot of credit in the report. The NCSM has thanked you. Please introduce the NCSM scientists.
Let him straight up.
Yeah, what is the base map, sir? What is the base map? If you don't want to answer, please say you don't want to answer, but don't keep me hanging here. What is the base map used in the CZMP?
Take the mic and answer.
It is there in your report, but I want you to say it to the people.
Sir, actually, this is a public hearing, sir.
What is the base map used in the CZMP? I am asking you. You are a scientist, sir. NCSM representative is here. Otherwise, please go. If you don't want to answer, please get out of here. You are here to answer questions. Simple question. It is there. If you want to look up, I'll tell you which chapter. What is the base map used in the CZMP?
Sir, actually, we have used aerial photographs and satellite imagery.
Okay, so you all have not used topo sheets. This is the point all noted down.
Just. First, initially,
I said base map.
base map I am telling, 1 is to 25,000 scale, CZMP map, topo sheet is the base reference.
Okay, but you have mentioned in section 1.2, please open it in front of your eyes. NCSM base, we have based on Survey of India's OSM maps, Open Series maps. Why did you mention this? It is Open Series maps you have used, you have not used topo sheets, and this is the fraud that you have committed because topo sheets cost a lot of money and which you have not included because the budget would have increased by another 1 crore, I think. So please don't lie to the people. You have said repeatedly elsewhere in the report. In the summary, you have said Survey of India topo sheets were used as base map of preparing of CZMP. Then in chapter 7 also, but right in the beginning, second page, you have said OSM. So, please remove, my suggestion is remove all references to topo sheet, because here itself he said that it is aerial photographs. And second thing is that it is the OSM that has been used. So suggestion is remove any reference of topo sheets from the document, and please otherwise purchase the topo sheets and redraw all the high tide line and low tide line.
Okay, Vinay, your suggestion will be considered.
Thank you. Not over. Second is also state in the report the expenditure incurred for the topo sheets, because again you will just mislead us later on. Second question, this thing, who and when and how many people from NCSM has come for ground truthing? We had asked at the ITI, also an MLA had asked at LEQ, the response was only 5 people had come for the entire state of Goa. Please give them a round of applause. 5 scientists were able to go entire Goa and make this plan. Now, when they came, that is the